Welcome to my Yang's kitchen, and I'll show you how to make that Lechon Kawali crispy, juicy, and flavorful. Ready to 1 kilogram of pork liempo. I'm gonna brine this meat. I will start with the onion, just cut it into half. Then I have 3 garlic, just crushing that. We're also gonna need 3 star anise and 2 bay leaves. I need that salt, about 3 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. The secret about this is that the salt solution is going to make our meat juicier and flavorful. Let's head on to the meat. Stab the meat so it will absorb most of the ingredients. So I'm using a pressure cooker here. Place the meat just like this. Fill it up with water, just enough to cover the meat. Then put all those ingredients and we're going to boil it for 30 minutes at high heat. Alright, and we're done with our brine process. Get the meat, dry it up. You can use a tissue or we can dry it using a fan. Here I'm using both. Once it dries, we're gonna refrigerate it for 4 hours because I want to cook it frozen to make the fat part crispy. Happy cooking! Make sure that the oil is hot once we place the frozen meat. And cook each side of the meat at medium heat. And for the fat part, cook it at high heat. And we're done! Hear that sound? So crispy, right? And let's take a look on the meat. You can see how juicy it is. I hope you learned a lot. See you again on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and happy cooking at my Yang's kitchen.